Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin rights and a simple backup of your documents. That prevents data loss. Once done, close all programs to avoid conflicts. Open Start, go to All Programs, right arrow Accessories, right arrow System Tools, right arrow System Restore. Choose Restore My Computer to an earlier time and select the calendar view to see restore points. Make sure the chosen restore point predates the issue. This is the foundation for a clean rollback. Once you pick the restore point, confirm why you chose it. Look for Windows updates or program installs listed. You want the snapshot from before the problem began. Close any open files and temporarily disable aggressive antivirus that might block system changes. Click Next, then Finish to start. Windows warns that the process cannot be interrupted. The system will automatically restore system files and settings, then reboot. This step rewrites registry entries and system files to. After reboot, you should verify whether the issue is resolved by testing the affected apps and system behavior. If the problem persists, make sure you try System Restore again from Safe Mode or use Last Known Good configuration to revert driver changes. If a restore fails, restore your files from the backup you made earlier and consider running chkdsk and sfc/scano. One key troubleshooting tip. If System Restore repeatedly fails, boot to Recovery Console and run Fixboot and Fixmber before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.